Okay, let's talk about continue to talk about the Qt program. So today's task is to draw different cycles and polygon, etc. You can see the result like that. Here we have the 2D triangle and also 3D cubes and a circle dots and also the lines. So we use the OpenGL library. Um, and also there are several points we need to pay attention to when we compile the file. Okay, let's get started. So basically we have the GL object and the main CPP and the main Windows CPP. Okay, so the most important file is the GL object, and the second one is the head file. So basically, I also update this line. So previously this line only have one integer as parameter, but later I add 3 float parameter. Okay, let's go into the close without saving. Without saving. Okay, without saving. Okay. Okay, let's go to this file, and we see there's a initialization and set up the viewport based based on the screen dimension. So we use the GL projection. We use the GL model view, and then let's see. So here we can see they are called like GL point size. So this basically the size is 2, so it means that the dots. So the dot here is the size is 2 pixel, and the line is 4 pixel. So it controls here. For example, we can change the line if you want, like 10. Then let's see. So let us make the file. Okay, there's no much change. Maybe we can try again. Okay, yeah, simply I didn't update it. Let's make again. Okay, you see, I mean the line become more thick. Let's continue to discuss the code, and then here's OpenGL node identity. So we should add this line between different objects, and also we can use the GL transfer translate F to define to put the object in different place. For example, for the first one, we put it here, and for the second one, we put here, and for the third one, we put in this location. It's in this location. And also we define the object size using this option, and then we define the color. So this is a RBG. So it is a 3 element to define the color, and also we use the OpenGL vertex to define the location in the 3D space. So here you see the radius is actually 1, as you can see here. So here we actually draw the triangles, and also here we're going to draw the polygon. So polygon can be so many size, but here we also use polygon to draw the triangles too. So this code mapping to this triangle, we can try to change the size, like we can change like 5, 5. You can see, I mean, it will become bigger than the current view. Okay, you see, it changed. Now let's continue to check the polygon for this one. So this one presenting this object. Now we are going to use the polygon function. What's this? So let's go below, and you can see we have a function like that. So basically, we define so many we define these parameters. So and we use the rotation, also degree, and we define the color. So the color was actually passing from these parameters, and we begin to draw the object and the end of the object, and then each time we define a new vertex x and y, and then we define one more vertex. So this is the function here. So when we use these functions, like with six sides, no, it's a we draw the polygon with the 6 points with the 8 vertex and with 4 vertex. So this is how we draw the square here, and also these objects here. And also let me see. So when we want to draw the circle, so it means that we put more vertex, so can make the objects more like a circle. Okay, here we present how to draw the points. We use the GR points, and we use the for loop to draw the points. So that's the reason why you can see there are 0 points here. And then we draw the line. So the line is the same way to draw the points, but let me see. The line is here. Okay, sorry. So this is a line. This is the points. So the difference is when I join the line, I need continuous points, so I have to define as a float. But here I define as int. Okay, this circle and the cube. Okay, so the cube is the most difficult part. And the way we define the cube here is to define six polygon with 4 sides. So you see that the cube can have 6 sides, right? So we can define the face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this way, we define the cubes, and also we can rotate the cube, and also we can adjust the size. Okay, so basically we should merge this window to the radio interface using the dock. There's an example here. Let's go to user. Qt demos. So here is a very good example to show us how can we add so many how can we put different wedges in the same window. But I didn't solve that. I didn't get that points. I didn't get that skills now. Um, so for now, so this is the final result I have so far at this moment. Yeah, so I will stop here and see you next time.